How to add or remove universal switch shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on advanced settings. And then tap on accessibility button or the side and volume up buttons or volume up and down buttons. So choose which shortcuts that you would like to use and then tap on it. In here, tap on select actions, and then from the list scroll down, then tap on universal switch and then tap on allow. And here say turn off these functions. To turn on universal switch, the following function need to be turned off temporarily. So just tap on turn off, and here we can turn on the universal switch. So when I tap on it, it says to use universal switch, at least one of your switches need to be assigned and select item, which is used to select items on the screen. So you can tap on add switch to begin. So here we can use camera, and here you can choose which switch. So turn head left, turn head right, or blink, or open mouth. And then you can go through the list here and then set up your switch action. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on universal switch or add it to the shortcut in here. And that's it. So tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.